Hi everyone, this is Miss Pearl and I'm going to be cooking the cha-cha chili today. So it's my first time using some of these tools. Here's the cha-cha chili that I am using, and I am using the steamer for the first time. I've already washed it and everything. And since I have a picky eater, I'm not going to go quite in the same order that is listed here. And I want to show you from the cookbook, the beautiful picture that they have for it, and the recommendations of different ways of making it. So for us, we are going to, I already opened this with my Pampered Chef can opener. This is a can of diced tomatoes, a nice big can. And since my daughter is picky, I'm actually going to use an immersion blender to make this not chunky. Okay. See how smooth this is. Whenever I make something and it's not smooth enough, she always seems to get the chunks. That's this one. I think I am smooth. All right. Just getting all of that out of the immersion blender. And here we go with the bag. The ingredients actually look really pretty. Are you able to see that? There's lots of color in there. It's really pretty. All right, since I'm trying to decide how I'm going to do this, I think I'm going to cook it with the hamburger, which is raw, into the sauce. And just so you can see the ingredients on this, let's see. It's nice and easy peasy, nothing too crazy. Let's see, is it readable? And our instructions that are on the bag, very simple. And that's what I'm using. And I don't have the hamburger with me. Oh. All right, note to self, remember to mise en place with everything. All right, hamburger is in there. And with the top. And making sure to close the top with the vents away from me. And we are going to start with 3 minutes to start the hamburger cooking. Let's see. Chop it up just a little bit with the meat separator. just to get it started here. Put that in here. Come on, stay down. There we go. And put this up in microwave, set for 3 minutes. Okay, let's see what else that we are going to put in here. Let's see, the tomato. A half a cup of water. And the kidney beans, drained and rinsed. Kidney beans ready to go. I get a half a cup of water. And of course I am terribly unprepared, aren't I? So we will do this better next time. Apparently I can put chipotle aioli mix and mix it with a little Greek yogurt or sour cream. I don't have that because I did not purchase that with my order, but that does sound like a nice little topping there. I do have sour cream or Greek yogurt in the refrigerator though, so let me take a look here. I have Greek yogurt, so we can do that as our topper. And I think, let's see. Maybe I could mix it with a little of the roasted garlic aioli. Let's see. I could mix this with a cup of mayo. For me, I can't do mayo because of the eggs, but I could do it with the Greek yogurt and a splash of lemon juice. And let stand for 15 minutes. So let's grab. Okay, let's see. That was for cup. I also have the poco picante, which I bet would taste really good with this. Let's see, which one do I want to do? I think I'm going to stick to the garlic, and I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon. So I have my 4-in-1 measure, brand new, has its seal. Oh, wow, that smells very fresh. And the spoons fit right inside. I don't have the camera facing quite right, do I? So let's move this. Okay, I am working on this one. I'll put the powder in. And it smells actually very nice and garlicky. Greek yogurt. Yogurt is so thick. Well, a lot like sour cream, actually. Oh, that one is mixed up and it's ready to be on top. Let me move that over. Okay, the vents are pointing away from me. They are over here. So when I open it, and I'm just gonna beat up the meat a little bit here with the meat separator. Put that through there again. And I think I'm going to have to pause on you because it's going to take longer doing this than, well, I mean, it'll be done in a couple of minutes, but I should have been making something more at the same time. I'm sorry. All right, well, I will post a picture of what it looks like when it comes out of the refrigerator. All right, you have a great day. See you on my website, hopefully, at pearljohnson.epicure.com. Thank you.